See, here are the ceiling fan display at Lowe's. Here are all the ceiling fans here. We got Hubbard's Putter Top, Hubbard's Central Brush Nickel. So here are the new inbox fan. Here we got the Putter Touch and Brush Nickel. And then over here is the Hunter Richfield. I don't know what that is. So here's the Hubbard's Mayfield in white. Very nice looking. Got the wave port, we got the classic style, we got the anti-brush Centreville, and then we got the Kichler, another Hubbard's Centreville. So we got fan accessories, we got down rods, we got fan boxes. As you can see on the box, there's a picture of a Casablanca Delta 2 on there. And then we got some more stuff. We got fan accessories. We got blades, blade brackets, capacitors, more. And we got the light shades. Over there are the lights. Those are really nice lights. And then we got the Kichler. And we got the Crosswinds 2. We got Fanimation Ash 48-inch. Hunter Amberlin. And Mobile Bronze finish. Got the Walden. Up there right now are two older Hunter Waldens. We have an older style canopy, older style brackets. And here's the Centreville. And here is the Bridgeford. These have been here for a while. These fans right here have been here for a while. They have the older style Hubbard's boxing. So here's Centreville. Can't reach it. Nope, can't reach it. But here we got more new inbox fans. Here's the singular once again. We got St. Kitts. We got the new Brush Nickel Hubbard's Armitage. Wait, that's fan. And I'm gonna go walk through here. There's the Springfield and Brush Nickel. There's the Redfield once again. There's the Cedar Shoals. And the Echo Lake. And then we got the new inbox fan. Got this. This is the Hubbard's Sage Cove. So here are the box fans. Got Kichler here. It says Kichler. Got the wave port. And then we got some light shades. All these beautiful light pictures here. Alright, hope you enjoyed that video. And bye.